some of the important terminologies used in pediatrics. What is fetus? First is, what is fetus? You should note down, then we will explain it also. These terms need to be very clear so that you can use them appropriately. Otherwise, if they are not clear, you intermix them and try to use one term where the other term is to be used. So fetus, they are the products of conception, irrespective of the gestational age, but not completely expelled or extracted from the mother. What does this mean? They are the products of conception. After the conception has started, the products which are products of conception which are inside the womb of the mother, they will be called fetus, irrespective of that, whatever may be the duration of conception. Is it clear?
Yes.
Second is embryo. What is embryo? Embryo is the early prenatal period of development. It is the phase between the fertilized ovum and fetus. I will draw a line so that the things are clear to you. Let us say here the conception has started. Conception, right? Then first 9 weeks we call it as embryo, right? Only for this much 9 weeks the term is used as embryo. Is it clear? Third is the infant. What is infant? Infant is, here let us say the delivery has taken place. So from delivery to 1 year age, we will call it as infant. Right? So the next is the toddler. Toddler is the term used for a child 2 to 4 years of age, approximately 2 to, this is from here to 4 years. We call it as toddler. Here the child starts walking, but the gait is not steady, right? So gait remains clumsy. What does this mean? क्या मतलब है इसका? Clumsy means he tends to ऐसे चलेगा, आपको लगेगा गिरा, अभी गिरा. मदर बोलती है ध्यान से गिरना नहीं. That is the period when we call it as toddler. Next is the preschool age. Preschool age is from 3 to 5 years. So there is some overlapping also. 3 to 5 years. This is the preschool. This is the age of, you can note down, cognitive, emotional and social development. 3 main aspects development takes place. Not only physical, but physical is there, cognitive, emotional and social development. Right? If we take the first 1000 days, these are also very important for the development of the child. First 1000 days, right? After that preschool there is a school age. This is after the 6th year of age, when the child gets admitted into the school. Here the educational development of the child takes place, and all other fields of development also continue. Cognitive, emotional, social and physical also. Now after this is say up to 10 years. This is the adolescent age. Adolescent age. Adolescent age is up to 10 to 19 years. 10 to 19 years. This is the age of emerging adult, because after that he will be full-fledged adult. This has been divided into 3 parts. One is the early, second is middle, and third is late. Early adolescent, this is 10 to 30. Early adolescent. Middle adolescent is 14 to 17. Middle. And late adolescent is 18 to 21. These 3 divisions, they will become clear to you, and we will discuss the sexual development of the child. So now we come to the what is live birth. Live birth. You note down, and I will try to explain it to you. Live birth is defined as product of conception, irrespective of the gestational. This is very clear. Irrespective of the gestational age. That shows signs of life. It is after the expulsion of products of conception. What are the signs which should be there? Number 1, breathing should be there. बच्चा सांस ले रहा हो. Second is heart rate should be there. Third, pulsation of the umbilical cord and definite movement of voluntary muscles. कोई भी गेस्टेशनल एज है, बच्चे ने जन्म ले लिया. जन्म लेने के बाद यदि ये 4 चीजें हैं, 1 इज हार्ट बीट, रेस्पिरेटरी रेट, वॉलंटरी मूवमेंट्स, जो उसका अम्बिलाइकल कॉर्ड है वो उसमें पल्सेशन है, देन वी विल कॉल इट एज लाइव बर्थ. Newborn children, but those who are less than 500 grams, they must show these signs for 1 hour. ऐसा नहीं कि बस बर्थ हुआ 3-4 मिनट, 1 मिनट उसको आपको लगा ये पल्सेशंस वगैरह है, उसके बाद नहीं. सो फॉर दोज लाइव बर्थ जो 500 ग्राम से हैं, उनमें 1 घंटा 1 आवर ये हार्ट बीट, रेस्पिरेटरी रेट और पल्सेशन ऑफ अम्बिलाइकल कॉर्ड, वॉलंटरी मूवमेंट रहनी चाहिए, तभी हम उसको कह सकते हैं. आफ्टर लाइव बर्थ वी विल कम टू द fetal death. What is fetal death? You note down fetal death. So we have discussed live birth and now fetal death. What is fetal death? Fetal death is defined as product of conception irrespective of the gestational age. Prior to expulsion or extraction from the mother, that has no breathing, no heartbeat, no pulsation of umbilical cord or definite movements of the voluntary muscles. So the child is still in the womb of the mother and the child is not showing any of these signs, then we can say probably the fetal death has taken place inside the womb of the mother. So thank you. You can